Hey guys, welcome back to another video on How Logical. In today's video, I will show you how you can create Wells Fargo bank account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Now firstly, you need to open any web browser on a PC and there search for wellsfargo.com. And there you will taken to its official homepage. Now from there you will be able to see different facilities provided by Wells Fargo Bank and there choose the bank account that you want to create. Once you pick one of them, you will taken to the next page and there you have to scroll a bit down and there you will be able to see banking fees and details of that account. And there you have to tap on Open Now button in order to create an account. Once you tap on it, you will taken to the next page where you have to choose yes if you're already a Wells Fargo customer, and if not, you have to take this no button and then scroll a bit down and tap on Continue button. And after that, you will ask to fill in your personal details. Now, start from your first name and then if you have a middle name, then you have to type your middle name and then your last name. And after that, you have to choose taxpayer ID, either social security number or your individual tax identification number. And then you have to type in the number of social security or the individual tax identification. And after that you have to choose ID type. Once you choose the ID type, you have to type in the ID number and the state that ID has been issued and then expiration date of that ID. And once you're done with typing in your ID details, you have to type in your date of birth and there you have to choose the citizenship and then you have to type in your email address, your phone number and then your home address, city. You have to choose your state and then enter your zip code and then choose the occupation. And then you have to choose one of this option and then you have to tick the square box and then you have to tap on Continue button. And once you tap on Continue button, you will taken to the next page where you will ask for your account preferences. And once you're done with it, you will take into the next page where all the details will be reviewed and you will get the verification. And once you get the verification, you will take into the next page where you have to read all the terms and conditions of the bank and accept all the terms and conditions of bank. And once you're done with it, you have to deposit some amount of money to the bank account and then your Wells Fargo bank account will be created. Now that was the step-by-step process on how to create Wells Fargo bank account. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.